Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now grey. That means that auto brightness is disabled, so in order to enable it, click on the same one again. If you wish to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. Then tap on Brightness Level and manage adaptive brightness thanks to this switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!